How to transfer crypto from OKX Wallet to Binance Exchange app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer crypto from OKX Wallet to Binance Exchange account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy. What you can do is simply open up your account and log into your wallet. Unfortunately, I'm unable to access my account at the moment, but what you can do is once you're on your OKX wallet, all you can do is simply head over to the withdrawal section, right? So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head over to your assets and tap on withdraw and go ahead and withdraw. Tap on withdraw and it should give you an option to select the crypto or token that you wish to withdraw, and it should give you an option to enter in the address that you would like to transfer or withdraw to. Now then you can simply head over to Binance and get your Binance wallet address. Once you get the address, you can go ahead and paste it in the OKX wallet withdrawal option that it will give you, and you'll be able to send it. So this is how you can send crypto or transfer crypto from OKX wallet to the Binance Exchange app. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but I hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.